guys, it's April. I wanted to come on and let you guys know that I'm doing okay and getting settled in from the effects of Hurricane Ian. And I wanted to make sure that you didn't miss this opportunity while I'm putting my life back together for this Cricut mystery box. And of course it has a cutie. This is an access subscriber only mystery box, and it has a Peacock cutie in it. How cute is this? This is the Aloha Mystery Box. Now when you shop my links down below, that does earn me a small commission, and I greatly appreciate it. And it supports the group and the channel and things like that. You will still be shopping on the Cricut site. And I want to say thank you to Cricut for sending this to me so that I could show you guys what was in this mystery box and maybe give you some ideas of things that you can do with it. I apologize that I won't be able to do a tutorial right away for you guys using something out of this mystery box, but I promise in the coming week or so that once I get everything settled in, we will use some of the things out of this box and create a project. So don't worry about that. Grab this box. You're going to love it. Again, you have the Peacock Cutie. If you missed him, I believe back in July of 21, he is now available to you in this mystery box. Remember, the group code Cuties does not work on the mystery box because it's an excellent value. It is a retail value of $133.40. On sale for $59.99. Now, if you have to be an access subscriber to get it, so your access discount will apply to it. So add some things to your cart, throw that group code Cuties in there, and apply that code. You can add some things to your cart, and it will apply once it becomes eligible. So in this box, you're also going to get some light blue permanent glossy vinyl. This is the permanent in a 12 by 48 sheet. You're going to get the glossy permanent in Kelly green, a 12 by 48 sheet. You are going to get, I love this pearl pink, or it's pink pearl. I call it pearl pink, but it's a permanent glossy. Gorgeous, gorgeous color, guys. You're going to love this. So grab this box. Loving these Hawaiian colors. I just love it. Fuchsia 12 by 48. This is the removable mat. So this is removable, and you're going to get the removable mat in the tropical sampler. You're going to get a 6 12 by 12 sheets of this in the teal. I believe that is fuchsia, yellow, green, purple, and blue. Beautiful colors. And you're going to get some iron-on. This is the Sportflex iron-on. It is an 11.8 by 24 inch sheet. And I believe instead of it being 12, I believe it's the 11.8. I don't know, but I think it's 11.8 so that you can tell if you don't keep your containers or you've got a piece laying about. It is shorter than your other iron-ons to help you identify the Sportflex. That's my thinking anyway. I have to verify that. But this is the matte orange in 11.8 by 24. And then you have my favorites, the foil iron-on. This is the royal blue in a 12 by 24 sheet of the royal blue foil. And then you're going to get the Infusible Ink Pens in the 0.4 neons. You're going to get a pack of those and a brand new product. These just came out. It's very rare that you get a brand new product in a mystery box, guys. These are the new glitter gel pens, the 5 set in the 0.08. They write so much smoother. I hope you guys are giving these a try, along with all those other new products. So go grab this mystery box, get your Peacock Cutie in this Aloha mystery box, and for shopping my links, mahalo. I'll catch you on the next video.